back to the Weather Centre. A quick look at our satellite imagery reveals the circulation around the cut-off low over the western parts of the country, and the system is producing showers and thunderstorms just to the east and south of it. And as those storms develop and mature, they move further away from the system and move into parts of the Free State and currently affecting much of the southern interior as well. It's been a mostly cloudy day in the northeast. Light showers have continued to move into the Lowveld as well as some parts of northern KwaZulu-Natal. Now, those areas will remain mostly cloudy for tonight. In the west, lots of cloud cover still hanging around as well. The cut-off low will continue to produce showers and thunderstorms mainly over the Northern Cape, but also into parts of the Free State and the Eastern Cape overnight. Heading into tomorrow, we're going to see moisture moving in over parts of our western coastline as well as over the opposite side of the country. Moisture still pushing into the Lowveld. That's going to result in a fairly cloudy start to the day for Tuesday. Over those areas, there could even be a bit of fog around, especially for the high-lying regions. Into the central parts and for the afternoon, the thunderstorms will be located over the Free State. The cut-off low is going to be moving into this area. It is going to be weakening, but will still be strong enough to produce lots of cloud cover and in particular rain for the western Free State, including around Bloemfontein. But for tonight, most of the activity will be confined to the northern and eastern Cape. We will start seeing those thundershowers spreading into the western Free State. Bloemfontein is going to become wetter overnight. Isolated showers for much of the eastern Cape. We're going to see a clearance taking place for the western Cape. In fact, the area has already been clearing during the course of the afternoon. A few light drops of rain still possible over parts of the Lowveld and in northern KwaZulu-Natal. Moving ahead to your minimum temperatures, and the moisture in the air at the moment is helping to keep the minimum temperatures fairly high overnight, especially for the central parts. Double digits for De Aar, Kimberley as well as for Bloemfontein. A warm evening for some parts of the Eastern Cape, especially near the coastline, and similar for eastern KwaZulu-Natal. Heading into tomorrow afternoon, and the cloud cover and rain keeps temperatures in the teens for some parts of the southern and central interior, especially cool for the high-lying parts. KwaZulu-Natal, on the other hand, will be warming quite a bit. Durban gets to 27. Johannesburg is still remaining quite cool, but reaching the low 20s. A quick look ahead for Bloemfontein, and tomorrow will be cloudy and wet, but things will start improving on Wednesday and on Thursday, even warmer with less cloud cover, and the decrease in moisture allows the minimum temperatures to take a bit of a dive. There is a possibility for a couple of light showers on Friday evening, but the start of the weekend for the meantime looks warmer and drier. Looking ahead for the rest of the country, and it's going to be clear on Wednesday for the far northern parts of the country. A few thunder showers for the northern interior of KwaZulu-Natal. Those will spread towards the coastline later. And by Thursday, a mostly dry day lies ahead, but the next upper air system will be moving in, and that's going to start bringing in a few showers and thunderstorms for the Northern Cape.